Welcome to Entropic Travel. I'm Manny, and in this channel, we're exploring the world through real culture, food, hidden places, and unforgettable moments. Most people only see the touristic side of travel, but there's more hidden just around the corner. And we're not just visiting places, we're walking through them together. I film it, I edit it, and I narrate it. And this is just the beginning. Whether you're traveling through Southeast Asia, walking the historic streets of Europe, exploring the color and culture of Mexico, or discovering the temples, castles, and traditions of Japan, Entropic Travel is about traveling the world with curiosity, context, and a sense of adventure. Travel isn't just about checking things off the list, it's about actually experiencing them. And I want to show you the places that most people miss. So you're coming with me. Welcome to Entropic Travel. Let's explore the world together.